In this quick tip, we'll look at how to save time by learning key editing shortcuts in Microsoft Office. In Office applications, there are often multiple ways to perform editing, including working with options on the Home tab, using a shortcut menu, and even actions you can add to the Quick Access toolbar. However, keyboard shortcuts can be a quick way to perform an action right from your keyboard. Try these shortcuts in any of your Microsoft Office programs. First, cut. Let's say that I'd like to take these two items and move them to the top of this section. Once they're selected, I'll press Ctrl X for cut, move to the new location, and here I can press Ctrl V for paste. It's that easy. If instead I want to copy, select the content, move to the location where you want to copy it, and this could be another document. It often could be even another application. Ctrl C for copy. Unlike cut, the content does not move. We'll move to the new location. Let's say it's the end of this document. Ctrl V for paste. Now at any time we have the option to undo. Now this is one of my favorite keyboard shortcuts, and that is Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z for undo. And you'll see that it's undoing each action. I'll try it one more time. Ctrl Z, and there is that content that was moved. Take a moment and look at your keyboard. On the bottom row of your keys on the left-hand side, you'll see these same shortcuts, Z, X, C, V. And some keyboards are even labeled with these shortcuts. So you have undo, cut, copy, paste. Now you may have actions that you actually want to repeat, the reverse of undo. Let's look at that. For instance, let's say that I want to make this paragraph all bold. There's a lot of different ways to do that, but in this case I'll press Ctrl B, a keyboard shortcut for bold, and now I'd like to repeat that same action. Of course I could use a keyboard shortcut, but Ctrl Y is a way to repeat an action or redo. Select all. In most Office applications, Ctrl A will select all of the content in an active document, email, PowerPoint slide. It works a little differently in Excel, but Ctrl A to select all. Now let's look at that in Excel. In an Excel worksheet, Ctrl A first selects the active range. So based upon your location, there's the active range. And this is really handy when you want to change or apply different formatting. Then if we repeat Ctrl A, now we've selected the entire worksheet. So Ctrl A to select all. And then finally, Ctrl F for find. The find option, of course, varies from one application to another, but Ctrl F is a great way to launch that. And now I can move through and locate the occurrence that I want. And the bonus is that these shortcuts work with many other Windows programs. Of all the keyboard shortcuts available to you, these are worth memorizing because you'll likely use them every single day. For more tips on being productive with Office, or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/office. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.